Hey guys, in today's video, we'll go over how to splice flex track together. This will apply to both the floor and the ceiling. To splice the flex track together, we'll send the track joiner plate. The track joiner plate is a flat plate with 4 tapped holes and 2 set screws. To install the track joiner, slide it into the center groove of the flex track. Place your flex track against the other piece of flex track to create a nice tight fit. Then slide the track joiner plate into the other flex track and tighten the set screws to anchor it in place. Once in place, we'll run an anchoring screw through the 2 other open holes. With their anchoring screws in place, the installation is complete.